Good morning, students. Am I audible to everyone? Doctors, today you are so slow, yeah. Till 11:30, we have only 48 students. Any problem? Doctors, you ask why the students are late joining that particular class. There, on the daily basis, you are saying rename option. Why? Sir, today there is a lot of shower. Shower. Why? Rishikesh? You are saying Rishikesh at where? Like you are from Telangana, Hyderabad, or like where you are like belonging to your like the city you can say the hometown. You're from Telangana, na? Nizamabad. Okay, I know very well about Nizamabad because some of the students of your senior students of MB batch they are belonging to Nizamabad. The three students Varun, Nishant, and one more. They are belonging to I think Nizamabad se belong karte hain. And there is one student Manit, a very favorite student of mine because they have a book. That book name is Most Wanted Book. Okay, and the front page there is a one line there that belong. I'm talking about the MB student. Okay, their book is Most Wanted Book, and the book written in front of the front page they have one line, one quotes you can say, quote sake. That quotes is 80% of the question paper is coming from the 20% of the syllabus. So kind of we have the book in the market we have. Chalo theek hai. So guys, today we are not continuing the lecture. Today we have a very doubt session. अपन आज doubt discussion पे ही बात करेंगे और आपके doubt discuss करेंगे. It may be IUPAC nomenclature your doubts, or it may be uh, your the current running particular chapter, structural identification and practical of organic chemistry. Correct everyone? So firstly, I'm discussing about the sheet. अगर sheet में आपको कोई problem है, so tell me. Okay, I'm opening the sheet. शीट को ओपन कर लेता हूँ. Am I audible, everyone? So tell me, everyone, tell me the doubts of this POC sheet. Tell me your doubts. Actually, I don't have this particular sheet. I need to download from the MB batch. हाँ बच्चों. I'm audible, everyone. Am I audible, everyone? Prabhakar sir, please raise your hand, sir. Thank you. So students, so today we are discussing only your doubts in the 1.5 hour classes. So open your exercise one, students, part one, part two. Any kind of problem, students, you can ask me from the sheet and tell me very honestly how many students complete the sheet. How many students complete the sheet portion? Tell me. How many students complete the sheet portion? Govind completed. Good. Anushka, which chapter, sir? I'm talking about structural identification and POC. We are continuing with this chapter, na? So we are talking about this, having some common sense, yeah. Hmm. Tell me, everyone. Guys, I'm today I'm sitting there only for your doubts. Okay, 5 questions. So those students who are not starting, so guys, in your WhatsApp group, in your Ambi Hyderabad WhatsApp group, I pasted a sheet. I think at what time I pasted. I searched that particular PDF. You can also search. There's a lot of messages in your group. This one. This one. Okay, so I shared the particular sheet right now. I'm not shared, I'm just marked the sheet. You can download the sheet, students, complete your class notes. Secondly, try to solve the subjective questions, objective questions. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me, I'm there. Section A, B, C, D, then section E, then section F, then section G, then beta we have section H, important one. Section I, qualitative analysis, so quantitative analysis. 30th of June, yes. I marked them, no? I marked them today also. It's the 30th of June, correct. Correct. So tell me your doubts, students. Today I'm not teaching you right now. Today I'm giving you a little bit relax. And guys, those students, I'm giving you right now the homework. Homework भी मैं आपको दे देता हूँ. Homework is to आपको complete solve करना है sheet को. Complete solve. Guys, you know very well about, you aware about the NEET pattern this year. We have a different pattern. We have 35 plus 15 questions. Okay, if you know, it's a good thing. If you don't know, guys, you can research on that topic also, because when you are learning, when you are preparing for any test, beta, you know every well about these things. No, beta, it's not a part of GOC. If you don't know, guys, you can research yourself what is the mean of 35 plus 15, because this year you get 50 questions instead of 45. Correct. So this is the important one. We remember. ये आपको थोड़ा याद रखना है. Okay, very good. Sir, homework is fully sheet complete. Yes. Complete, solve the sheet. Solve the sheet. Okay. And I'm taking your DPP discussion also. Actually, there are some problem regarding the DPP discussion. So, who sent me the DPP A1, A2, A3, A4? Who sent me the DPP number 1, 2, 3, 4 to my personal WhatsApp group in the form of a PDF, not in the form of image? So, I'm assigned one student for that part. Is there any student who can send me the A1 like first, second, third, fourth DPP of organic chemistry. Okay, so आपको DPP solve करनी है. You need to solve the DPP 1, 2, 3. Guys, I'm giving you the homework because now you have a free Sunday. Okay, and today also you have a sufficient time, so you can start your work, students, from till right now. You can start your work, and whenever you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Any kind of test doubt, any kind of the sheet problem, so you can share with us. Guys, if you are not solving the question, it will be a very hard, students. It will be very hard for us. And Raghu Sagar, Akansh, Askani, Prem Kumar, Goti Parthi, and Rudra Teja. Beta, please do make your rename karo fatafat ise. Rename karo easily so that you can enter in my class. Correct, everyone. I'm totally stick on the chat box right now. So whenever you are messaging me, I will I will solve the things. We have a lot of heavy rain there right now. It's kind of a monsoon is coming. Good news. We have relaxing from the the बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी हो रही है यार. Can you post yesterday notes in a group? Why not? Vamshi, wait for a while. Shared a notes right now. Just wait for a while. Wait for a while. Nomenclature of a compound once again. Advay beta, for which compound I'm saying? For which compound beta? If you're saying the overall is not possible. Overall Advya is not possible beta. Because it's not 1 day class, you know very well. We have spent sorry. We have spent almost 5 to 6 weeks. So it's not possible we can finish within one class, or it's kind of a recap. So tell me the exact one. इसमें आपका problem है. I was talking about the एक minute. I'm talking about section H1. Sankalp, this is not the proper address, beta. Give me a proper address of the question. You are saying sheet section H1. So how can I understand sheet section H1? You are talking about which sheet, beta? Okay, so the question is why when Lesane extract of methylamine, the methylamine means it contain nitrogen. Okay, react with the ferrous sulfate and dilute H2SO4. You remember? Basically, this is a test for nitrogen, I think, and we get a Persian blue color of a particular complex, that is Fe4 FeCN6 ferrofenicyanide. Go through the test beta. We get this particular Persian blue color. Okay, I remember the test. That's why I'm asking you. That's why I'm telling you the answer. Otherwise, you need to learn. आपको learn करना पड़ेगा ये part. Correct? Yes. Adve beta, tell me which portion you are asking me. Now you are not sending me any kind of message, beta. Tell me the next one, students. Next one. There was some, let's say, right now, the student name is Adve, are asking me about numbering. So look at, I'm giving you some questions, students. Let's say if we have this one, Cl, Br, iodine. So guys, these all are substituent, 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 substituent. So guys, you can give the numbering. It's a chloro, it's a bromo, it's a iodo. So there is many possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. There is one more possibility. 1, 2, but this is 5. This is 5, students. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my dear students, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's a bromine. But beta here, if I'm given from numbering here, so we get 1, 2, and comma 5. And if I'm numbering from here, beta, we can give 1, 2, and then beta we have 4. It means that is the true one. Correct. So beta ये 1 पर क्लोरो है, 1 पर क्लोरो है, 1 पर क्लोरो है, 1 पर क्लोरो है, 2 पर ब्रोमो है. So according to alphabet, you may remember 2 bromo, 1 chloro. According to alphabet, I am saying 4 iodo, 4 iodo, cyclohexane. Guys, you can parallelly solve your sheet or complete your class notes. Do it fast. Correct, everyone. Let's say if I'm giving you one more question. So let's say if we have this one, let's say. So guys, let's say if we have this situation. So guys, we choose a parent chain of the longest carbon chain or multiple bond, either beta, both have the chain. If you are choosing this one or if you are choosing this one. So guys, be remember, you are choosing which one here? because their triple bond and their double bond have same position. So that's why we choose firstly the double bond instead of triple bond. Now numbering, sir, if I'm given from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So but it's a 5 number. If I'm given from here 1, 2, 3, so it's a 3 number. So that's why this is the correct one. This is the correct numbering. Correct, everyone? Correct. This is the important point. Correct, everyone? Me the next one. Guys, I hope that you will parallelly you are writing or you are solving the questions. That is my not my hope. You are writing, I think. Am I correct? You are solving the sheet, students. What are you doing right now, everyone? Please tell me. Tell me, everyone. What are you doing right now? Everybody, reply me. I want to know that whether you are wasting the time or you are utilize your time. I'm writing very good, Hemant. Dakshraj, I'm writing the notes very good. What about the rest students? Only 2 students replying here. It means you are wasting your time. And guys, if you are wasting your time, it's very bad. Sharmista, notes, sir. Very good. Samhita, DPP. Very good, beta. Govind writing a notes. Very good. Anushka writing a notes. Very good. Guys, if I'm given you a time, so you can utilize your time, na yaar. I'm writing a notes also. Very good, beta. Good. Good. Guys, one more humble request for the writers. Guys, you can learn very if like write the things by speaking. It's a neutral efficiency react with phenol. We get a violet coloration of this particular complex, kind of. Like sir, ether, alkene will not give any kind of sodium metal test. So please guys speak also. Don't be become very silent kind of students. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. In the meanwhile, I search some important thing. I search some important things. Which one, sir? Searching some like yes, we find out. Huh. Today I show you something here. Today I show you something. Okay, guys, look at here. This is my file. Okay, and this is the whole 11th or class 12th notes. Correct? ये सभी 11th और class 12th के notes हैं. This one. Correct? हाँ, files में है. Now I will show you something very special. Let's say your chapter is finished. I think का कौन सा chapter finish हुआ अभी? Ozonolysis is finished ना? Ozonolysis you are saying? Ozonolysis is finished now, students. Once send the notes in WhatsApp group. I'm already shared. Guys, look at the notes. That is my notes. If you are able to learn, read it, it's very good for you. So this is my short notes. I'm writing in such a way. I'm writing in such a way. And beta, this is for ozonolysis. Dekho, I'm writing here. Look at this point, this point. HCOH converted into CO2 and water. I'm writing here. Then again, I'm writing phenol plus aniline, give bromine water test. Is it visible for you? Now again, I'm writing HCOH, give formic acid, give Alling and Banetic solution test. So guys, this all are my notes, you know, the important one. It is blur maybe. Okay, now you can continue your class. You can continue your writing. Liko, 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 liko. Total POC, can you send in a WhatsApp? Total POC, I'm already sending a WhatsApp here. Manasa, what are you doing here? You are sleeping in my class here, I think. I'm already shared you the 3 PDFs. The 2 PDF are here and today 1 PDF. This is a totally structural identification and the POC. Sankalp, yes, I'm really sorry. It's ending one more time, one more time, and one more time, and you are totally like kind of a sleeping things. No, I'm really sorry. If you are behaving like that, students, I'm not for you. And I'm already shared you. Today I'm pinging you that particular message. Still you are not getting. You can check. Beta, you have only one work. You have only one work, Sankalp. You have only one work, that is learning, beta. And if you're not doing that part also very sincerely, so I'm really sorry. I'm not your teacher. I'm your teacher, but I'm not giving you that particular thing again. You can search again one more time. We'll definitely find out. Arey yaar, why we send yaar? We have already marked na. This is not the way. Now I need to check. I'm not sending, I'm just marking them. That you are not taking the notes very seriously. This is the POC 1. This is the POC 2. And before that, we have already done. Is section C here. Still, if you are not able to find, I'm really sorry. So this is the only my work. Guys, please take the notes in a serious mode. Now you receive Sankalp? Tell me. Tell me beta now, Sankalp. Okay. No need, no say thank you so much. Say, sir, I'm confusing by seeing 2 PDF. Open the PDF, you can find out yourself. This is the POC part 1, this is the part 2. Open the PDF, yeah. I'm not your mother that I will give you a spoon feeding kind of situation. Open the PDF, try to understand the things. You have already go through it now. So at least you have an idea about this chapter. This is the part 1, this is part 2. And if you're still confusing, it means you don't know anything about the POC. Now you got it. So beta Manasa, I'm saying open the PDF beta. Competition में अगर spoon feeding होगा बेटा, you will not get anything. And you are saying कि sir, I'm doing a lot of hard work, still I'm not getting a good rank. That is the reason beta. Try to understand my opinion beta. Correct. I hope you understand. Continue your work. Today's you are only that particular work. Guys, any problem you can message me. Any problem you can message me, students. Guys, everybody received the PDF now, I think. Everybody received now. Guys, open the PDF, complete your class notes. Okay. And after completing the class notes, now it means you have at least idea about this all test. And after that, guys, try to solve the sheets. Okay, from the next class, I'm taking some more topic from the NCRT. Everybody writing now? Tell me, students. Okay, continue your work. Continue your work. Reading, very good. Shrisha, good. This is the estimation of oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, Curious method. I'm comparing with the NCRT also. Let's say if any topic is left, so we can complete the topic. Okay, I'm checking by the NCRT. Guys, everybody have an NCRT of 11th class, the part 1 as well as part 2. Guys, if you don't have, na, purchase it. CBSC board, I'm not saying Telangana board. CBSC board NCRT, you need to purchase, students, everyone. बेटा बायो नहीं, हेमंत केमिस्ट्री की बुक भी ओपन कर लो बेटा, परचेज कर लो से, परचेज इट ऑन द प्रायोरिटी बेसिस. This is very important, students, and for especially for medical students, it's kind of a very holistic book, students. How many parts? Beta, we have two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 2 contains some organic chapters, some inorganic chapters. Tetravalency we have done, condensed bone line form done, dimensional done, classification done. And then we have nomenclature of organic compounds done. Okay. Fundamental of organic chemistry, they are not done. Electrophile, nucleophile, and all these things. Inductive resonance, we are not done. And then we have some method of purification, sublimation, crystallization, distillation. This part is still left. So we can finish that particular thing. This is also important. Then we have qualitative analysis of organic compounds. चिंगेज यार, चिंगेज बुक अच्छी है, बट चिंगेज में थोड़ा ज्यादा है हेमंत यार. एंड यू आर एमबी स्टूडेंट, सो माय बेटर सजेशन कि आप एनसीईआरटी को फॉलो करें. क्लास नोट्स एनसीईआरटी and then beta sheet that is sufficient for the NEET exam. Previous years is also I'm forgetting, like you can collect from Arihant, Disa publication and many some other publication, but standard is Disa and Arihant. So you can buy one previous year of physics, chemistry, biology, because beta previous things are very important. Previous part be important here. 36 year. Yes, Aryanth is better because their solution is good. Qualitative wise, अगर quantity नहीं qualitative wise देखें तो Aryanth like a good thing. I have a 33 year, I think. I have a 33 year, but it is 3 year before, I think. You can purchase that one also. I hope everybody not wasted the time. They utilize the time. I hope. Because if a teacher given you a time for writing, for learning, it's the best for you, yeah. And you're getting a little bit relaxed also. Because your syllabus is a little bit going in a good direction. Right now we are sufficient so far. Like अपन 4-5 क्लासेस आगे ही हैं. सर बेंजीन कॉज कैंसर. बेंजीन तो कैंसर कॉज नहीं करता बट इट्स अरोमा कंपाउंड यार. अपन ये नहीं बोल सकते इट्स कॉज कैंसर. नो, देयर आर द नंबर ऑफ ड्रग्स व्हिच हैविंग द बेंजीन as a main component, so we can't say like it will produce the cancer. No, no, Rudra Teza Reddy. And why you are not rename yourself here? You are also in a waiting list, still you are not rename yourself. Rename option is there. I think rename option is there. I think. ओके हेमंत, हेमंत जनरली एक्सेस में तो अगर आप कुछ अल्कोहल लेंगे वो भी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेगा, बट लाइक जो आपके प्रेग्नेंट कंपाउंड्स होते हैं उनमें भी बेंजीन रिंग होता है, करेक्ट? Nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. We remember. This is a statement by Jackson Brown. Students, continue your walk. I'm coming. How many students cover the things? Now tell me the result of the today class. Give me a result. That tell me your work within this. I think it's a 1 hour class right now being passed. So tell me your work. आपने क्या किया इस क्लास में? In the chat box. So I almost completed the notes. Last 2 pages left. Very good, Sarmista. Sarmista, पढ़ कर करना बेटा. Learn and then read, write. At least one time you need to write or learn as well. Sir wrote till section H. Very good. Very good. Good Hemant, Anushka, good. So almost my notes is done. Only one page left. Good, Hanshika. Good, beta. Good. Guys, now we have only Madhapur and Kukatpalli students now. Okay. estimation of oxygen. So guys, next time now we will continue our some technique of separation of purity separation. Like we have a distillation, we have chromatography, we have crystallization. So we are doing that particular technique, students. Correct? अपन वो technique करेंगे. We are doing the techniques. Okay. From those techniques, now you will get some questions. And we remember, like last 2 3 years now, the favorite question of J is the chromatography. So we need to learn chromatography by the NCRT very effectively, so that your question will be definitely hit. Correct. So अपन NCRT से करेंगे बच्चों उस part को. We can finish the topic with the NCRT. That's why I'm saying, guys, purchase the NCRT on the priority basis. Purchase the NCRT on the priority basis. Sorry. Chaliye students. So right now I finish these things. Correct. I end up the class right now, and we will meet tomorrow. And guys, your homework, you know very well, section I तक complete करना है और sheet को complete solve करना है. Correct. There are some memory based question. Memory based question को you have to learn, students. And there are some trick based questions. So trick based questions you can effectively solve from the class notes. Correct, everyone. So that's it from the today right now. I'm already shared you both of the PDF, students. And guys, I'm not giving you any kind of some extra work today. I'm just giving you the pre-planned the yesterday work, I think. Correct. So this Sunday you can take the benefit of that particular one. You can complete this sheet solving the class notes and everything. Correct. We have still some left, some very few topics. So I think within one class we can finish that particular one. Correct, everyone? So that's it from today. We will meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Be happy, everyone. Correct. And guys, complete your class notes as well as sheet. This is my humble request. This is on the priority basis. You need to finish them. Okay, everyone.